Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to set One UI 8.5 depth effect with new clocks. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to Play Store, search ZFont and download this ZFont app on your Galaxy device. After download, simply tap and open, tap on OK and set notification access permission. Now look at this, simply scroll and look at these many beautiful fonts. Simply go to stylish and this is different fonts. Okay, look at this Nothing OS style font. For now I select this font and let me show you how to install on your Galaxy device. Simply tap on download button and tap on One UI 8. Now tap on create. Now tap on install package. Now go to install Z file and tap on just once. Now install Z file. After install, simply go back. Now tap on setting and allow Z file permission. Tap on install and look at this app blocker. Then simply tap on OK. Go to setting and go to security and privacy and disable ad blocker. Now install again. Tap on install package. Tap on install. Look at this new clock font install on my Galaxy device. Simply tap and hold and change clock font. Look at this new clock style, Nothing OS style clock on my Galaxy device. Okay guys, so you install many different clock fonts from this ZFont app. Now let me show you how to set depth effect. Then first install Good Lock on your Galaxy device and update all Good Lock modules, include Lockstar. After update, first go to wallpaper and tap and hold and save as PNG image this object. Now go to lock screen and hold. First set your object on lock screen like this. Now tap on Lockstar, tap on app widgets, tap on gallery, add gallery widget and again tap on gallery and add this PNG image from gallery. Now tap on center and fit widget and set this object on your lock screen like this. Now look at this, I set object. Now simply tap on done and also depth effect apply on your Galaxy device. Look at this. So guys, you also install these many different new clock fonts and apply depth effect on your Galaxy device. And guys, if you want to uninstall these new clock fonts from your Galaxy device, then simply go to setting, go to apps and simply search ZFont. After search ZFont and simply uninstall one by one all clock fonts. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.